Now, breaking news from KCTV5 News.
The governor of Missouri is now facing more criminal charges, these tied to a list of donors from his own charity.
A prosecutor in St. Louis just filed the charges late this afternoon. Investigative reporter Angie Racono has the court's documents and is in the newsroom now with a look at what they contain. Angie?
Well, Brad and Ellen, this is a Class D felony charge. So if Greitens is convicted, that's up to a year in jail and a $10,000 fine. Greitens is accused of swiping the donor list from the charity he started, which is The Mission Continues. That list was then allegedly used for political fundraising purposes, and that is illegal. Here's what prosecutors say. The defendant and KT knew that the donor list disclosed on April 22, 2015 was taken without the permission of The Mission Continues. The defendant was aware that KT retained or used the list without the permission or consent of The Mission Continues. And then the defendant directed KT to send the donor list in an April 22, 2015 email to the fundraiser.
But I don't think it's nitpicky. If you'll remember, Al Capone went to jail for tax evasion. Not because he was the most renowned mobster in Chicago at that time.
Now, legal experts say this charge is more significant and it poses the biggest legal threat to the governor. The other case, it certainly grabs your attention, right? But remember, that invasion of privacy charge is based on testimony and there is still no picture. This one appears to have firm evidence, and that's why it's significant. Now, we haven't heard a response yet from the governor, but earlier in the week, he denied these allegations. Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Angie. Now, in just the last few minutes, Missouri Attorney General Josh Hawley said this in a statement. It reads in part, "These are serious charges and an all-important reminder that no one is above the law in Missouri."